Hey truck enthusiasts, welcome back to Gravity Automotive. And today we're diving deep into one of the most impressive heavy-duty pickups on the market, the 2026 Ram 2500 Black Express. If you're looking for a truck that combines raw power with street-smart styling without breaking the bank, stick around because this beast might just be your perfect match. The 2026 Ram 2500 Black Express isn't just another work truck. It's a statement on wheels that delivers exceptional value, starting at just $53,735. This price point makes it one of the most affordable ways to step into a premium heavy-duty truck with custom appearance and serious capability. Ram has brilliantly built this model on the reliable tradesman platform, adding $2,495 worth of upgrades that transform it into something truly special. What immediately catches your eye is the Black Express's bold, mysterious styling that screams confidence from every angle. The exterior features a stunning satin black sport performance hood that gives this truck an aggressive stance, while the body color bumpers and grille surround create a seamless, sophisticated look that works equally well on construction sites and city streets. The gloss black grille and badging add to the stealth aesthetic, complemented perfectly by 20-inch black aluminum wheels that command attention wherever you roll. Adding to the convenience, Ram includes black tubular side steps running the length of the cab, making entry and exit effortless even after long days on the job. The Black Express comes available in 8 stunning exterior colors, including diamond black, bright white, granite crystal, silver zenith, forged blue, flame red, ceramic gray, and molten red, each one accentuating the blackout trim package beautifully. Under the hood, the Black Express offers 2 powerhouse engine options that cater to different needs and budgets. The standard engine is Ram's proven 6.4-liter HEMI V8 that cranks out 405 horsepower and 429 pounds-feet of torque, paired with a smooth-shifting TorqueFlite 8-speed automatic. This combination provides ample performance for daily driving while maintaining the capability you expect from a heavy-duty Ram truck. But here's where things get really exciting at Gravity Automotive. If you need maximum towing and hauling capability, you can upgrade to the legendary 6.7-liter Cummins high-output turbo diesel inline-6 engine. This beast produces 430 horsepower and an industry-leading 1,075 pounds-feet of torque, making it the best in class for base diesel torque. With the diesel engine, you're looking at a maximum towing capacity of 20,000 pounds, while the HEMI V8 can still pull up to 7,590 pounds, both impressive numbers for getting serious work done. The Black Express is available as a crew cab configuration with your choice of rear-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, plus either a short or long bed depending on your hauling needs. Inside the cabin, the Black Express balances work-ready durability with modern comfort and technology. You'll find a cloth 40-20-40 split bench front seat that's both practical and comfortable, with carpeted flooring and matching floor mats that give the interior a more refined feel than typical work trucks. The technology package includes Ram's Uconnect 5 system with an available 12-inch touchscreen, or you can upgrade to the largest in class 14.5-inch infotainment display that makes viewing, navigation, and entertainment incredibly easy. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration keep you connected seamlessly, while the customizable home screen lets you arrange everything exactly how you want it. One of the standout convenience features is the power convex trailer tow mirrors that come standard on the Black Express, giving you excellent visibility when hauling trailers or navigating tight spaces. The ParkSense front and rear parking sensors take the stress out of maneuvering this big truck in urban environments using radar technology to alert you to obstacles you might not see. Safety is taken seriously, with features including forward collision warning with active braking, blind spot monitoring that even covers your trailer, adaptive cruise control for highway comfort, and available 360-degree surround view camera that provides unparalleled visibility when parking or navigating job sites. The Ram 2500 also features best-in-class ride quality thanks to its exclusive 5-link coil rear suspension system, which dramatically improves comfort whether you're loaded or unloaded compared to traditional leaf spring setups. Ram backs the 2026 models with America's best full-size truck powertrain limited warranty covering 10 years or 100,000 miles, showing their confidence in long-term durability and helping keep costs down for both businesses and individual owners. Additional available features include heated and ventilated front seats, dual wireless charging pads, premium Harman Kardon audio system, and advanced driver assistance technologies like lane keeping assist and trailer sway control. The 2026 Ram 2500 Black Express began arriving at dealerships in the third quarter of 2025, with orders currently open through Ram dealers nationwide. This truck is assembled in Saltillo, Mexico, as part of Ram's commitment to quality manufacturing. Whether you're a contractor needing a reliable work truck, a weekend warrior who tows toys, or someone who simply appreciates bold styling combined with legendary Ram capability, the Black Express delivers on all fronts. It represents a smart value proposition in the heavy-duty segment, offering custom appearance and impressive capability at an accessible price point. So there you have it. The 2026 Ram 2500 Black Express is a serious contender that doesn't compromise on style, power, or features. If this truck caught your interest, make sure to hit that subscribe button here at Gravity Automotive for more in-depth truck reviews and automotive content. Drop a comment below telling us what you think about the Black Express and whether you'd choose the HEMI or the Cummins Diesel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.